What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, another wig collab. LUVME Hair sent me this bomb HD curly wig. And y'all know LUVME Hair love to send me the wig. So I said, alright, LUVME, send the wig, girl. Send the wig. Period. This one was HD. I didn't pluck it until it was on my client's head. So I want to show you guys that, you know, you can wait to pluck sometimes. If your wig is pre-plucked, then you can wait and install your wig first. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. This was Kelley's first time wearing curly hair, so we was lit about that too. And we just gonna do a slay how we always slay, period. So for this install, I did tape on her corners. I didn't do tape around her whole perimeter because I didn't need it to last that long. So once I do that, I know like, okay, it's gonna last, but it don't need to be no super lock grip. I'm using my boho lemon burst and I'm applying that glue thin and evenly. You want to make sure when your client comes with makeup that you clean all of the perimeter where you're going to put that glue. Don't leave not one piece of makeup because it will mess up your install in the long run. Now that that glue dried clear, I'm going to place this wig on her head. I'm going to make sure I'm gentle when I'm applying because it's all about placement when you get to this step of a wig install. You can put your wig too far back, you can put it too far up. So you want to make sure you put it right where it needs to go and it's no shade. Once you get that wig laying where you want it to, you want to blow dry with cool air, maybe a little bit of warm, but don't overdo it with that heat because that's going to make your lace lift, no shade. You want to use that cool air to really lock that glue in and dry your lace, and it's no shade. I'm pressing it in. Y'all really want to press, especially when you use the tape, press that lace into your adhesive because that's going to really help with the melting process. Like, don't just tie it down, blow dry it, press it, then tie it down. That's the order. Now I'm just sectioning out my baby hairs. Usually I do my 2 corners and then my sideburns. But I said, let me do 3 pieces. Let me do 3 baby hairs on each side today. Just because it's something different from what I usually do. And I think it came out cute, no shade. As you can see, I didn't pluck this wig at all, and it needs a good plucking set. So once you section out your baby hairs, you want to really go in and create your hairline. This wig is already pre-plucked, so it's not going to take too long for me to create the illusion I want. If your wig is not pre-plucked, please don't wait till it's on your client's head to try to start plucking it. Thin that wig out first and then put it on your head. Don't just put a thick ass wig on your client's head. This was an HD lace pre-pluck, so it wasn't that deep if I waited to pluck, because I didn't have to do too much plucking anyways. And as you can see, that's giving way more than the last situation before I plucked it. You know, do not be scared to pluck. Tie your wig down, let it dry, let your adhesive dry, and then once everything's dry, grab them tweezers and go crazy. Period. Now I'm about to just cut my baby hairs with my eyebrow razor. And this was my last time using this mini flat iron. It was broke. It was hanging. I shouldn't even have used it. It could have fell on her face. But, you know, this was the only flat iron that I actually liked it. So, and I've been going to the hair stores. I cannot find this flat iron. So if anybody could find this type of flat iron, please email me. It's no shade. I couldn't show you guys the baby hairs because my back was in the way, but I used my Got to Be spray and my comb, and I gave what it gave, period. Shout out to LUVME Hair for always sending me the bomb wigs. This wig was HD curly. I will put all the information for it in the description box. Shout out to Kelley Hicks. Y'all go show her some love on her social medias. Shout out to us about to be at 4K subscribers. Bye, y'all. Y'all ate that.